Hello, in this video I'm gonna show you how to unpack RAR or zip files on your ZTE Blade A31. So in order to do that, we'll need to have the RAR app installed and then move to the folder where the files are located, and mine are in DCIM, camera, and those are pictures.rar. So in order to unpack it, we'll need to open it. From here, press this arrow pointing up button in order to unpack all the files. You can also select the files specific that you want. So I'm just gonna unpack everything like that. Here you can customize how it's gonna be unpacked. And first setting is to press browse and choose the destination where the files will be unpacked. I'm going to put them in the movies right here. Press OK. The next is to change the settings, and here you have ask before overwrite, overwrite without prompt, or skip existing files. You can also keep broken files or do not extract paths. The last option is to display extracted files. So after everything is set up here, we can press OK. Enter the password if the archive is protected by any password. Mine is, so I need to enter it. Press OK and go back. Let's go for movies. And here we can find two photos that were in this RAR file. And that's it for this video. Hope you like it. Please consider subscribing to our channel. Leave a like and a comment below.